In this video, I will show you the step on how to install Windows 10 from a USB drive. Make sure you have a backup copy because this process will delete all the information on your hard drive. Before we continue, we need to make sure what type of operating system you're using. We need to know whether it is 64 or 32-bit. Right-click this PC properties. Under System, look whether it is 64 or 32. In this case, 64-bit. After checking out, you may proceed to the Microsoft Download section of Windows 10 and download accordingly. Now, this will download a tool. Once the tool is downloadable again, you will have to run that executable. After running the executable, you will see this one. And here, select the Create Installation Media for another PC and then select Next. In here, you should select the language edition and the architecture selection. And now select the 64-bit on their architecture. Click Next. And then select USB flash drive if not yet pre-selected, and once you click the next, it should automatically detect the USB drive. If it's not already connected, all you have to do is refresh and it will automatically detect your removable drive, which is drive F has no label. After selecting it, click on Next. Start creating a Windows 10 installation USB drive. Let's just wait after downloading Windows 10 and creating Windows 10 media. And then, your USB flash drive will be ready. And then click Next. The next thing we do, we will going to change the boot sequence in the BIOS to be able to boot from the USB drive. When you boot the PC, you look for the F2 setup or the F12 boot menu. After selecting the boot menu, all we need to do is select the USB drive from the list now. It should select Setup. The BIOS should look for something like this now. This is an old BIOS, sure might be a lot different now. Look for the boot section and pretend that removable drive is my USB drive. You will just have to follow the instruction in the boot to make the removable drive or USB drive the first boot device, and again save the settings by following the instruction. Once you save those settings, the computer will restart and will boot from the USB drive from here. You will select the time, the language, and the keyboard and then Next. Click the Install Now. In here, you need to add the key if you have it, but if you don't have it, you can skip this step. The next step is accept the license terms and select Next. Here, select Custom Install Window Only Advanced. And this is how it looks if you have previously an operating system installed. System reserve and drive 0 partition 2. So we're going to delete them both. That's why you need backup. So make sure it's selected and click on delete. Click OK to confirm. Do the same with system reserve. If you are installing a brand new drive, this is how it would look, a single unlocated space. Now, make sure you select and click Next. Clicking on Next, Windows will automatically format and install Windows 10. Windows can be installed on non-formatted drive. This process can take a while, so just wait until it will finish. Do not press any key because it's going to restart several times if it asks you to boot or to press any key to boot from CD or DVD. In here, you are going to press a key, but if you don't have it, you can do it later. And select Use Express Setting. In here, you will select I own it. Here, you are going to enter your Microsoft email and password if you have one. If you don't want to put your email, you can skip this step. In here, you can enter a local account. You can put your name or what name do you want to put. You can also put a password if you want. And after that, click Next. That's it. You have finished installing Windows 10 on your PC. And now it is ready. You can put all the apps you want and needs on your laptop.